Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I just want to show you the progress those lithops seeds have made. Do you still remember on the first episode that I sowed about 200 seeds in the soil, and today we're going to check for each pot and see how much progress they have made. I'm actually very happy that I put seeds in 2 kinds of pots so that I can compare the results. Let's take a look at the first one. I put about 100 seeds in this tray. So 50 for one kind, 50 for another kind. Let's take a look. See how many seeds are coming out? Quite a lot. I actually counted for each of them. The germination rate is about 60%, which is quite a lot. And during the past 2 weeks, the seeds sowed on the red part came out the first. So you can see the sizes are pretty big compared with the seeds on the left. So I guess the reason why they came out at a different time just because the kind have take different time to actually grow. So let's zoom in to take a look at what it looked like for a little seeds or a little lithops look like. So they're quite green. The shape is actually very similar to a mature lithop. For some of them, you can actually see there's a little gap on the top, which is very, very cute. So during the past 2 weeks, I've been watering them very regularly every day in the morning. So you can use syringe or I use spoon. Just gently water the soil and make the soil kind of moist. During the early time of the lithop, they actually need a lot of water. So it's actually very, very different from how a mature lithop grow. Very, very cool. Okay, let's check the other 2 pots. Let's take a look at the first one. This is another kinds of lithop. I sold about 50 of them there, but unfortunately I don't see that many. I can see only probably 4 of them, very little. So the germination of this pot is actually very, very low, unfortunately. Right now, I still don't know why, because this kind is very different from the tray. I wonder is because of quality of the seeds or the pots. So you can see it's kind of deep. I wonder if when I sow them, I can fill this pot with more soil so that the seeds can get more sunlight. The result will be different, but I don't know. I'm actually interested to try it again. Let's take a look at another one. So this one is actually another kind of mushroom, but it's not a lithop. Let's take a look at the result. Yeah, so this result is not good. I actually see nothing. I haven't seen any little sprout since the day one. I check every day. Every morning I had this hope that I can see something came out from this pot, but still I cannot see anything. Yeah, for this one, I still have the same thought about why there's nothing. One thing is that the type of the lithops or type of the succulent, or just because this pot is so deep so that the little lithop didn't get enough sunlight. In terms of water, I have treating all the pots the same. I water them every morning, keeping the soil very wet, but still these two pots, the result from both of them are not very good. Okay, so that is the report for the lithop I saw on April the 25th, 2020. Hopefully this can give you some information or some tips on how to grow lithop from seeds, and I will report back in a few weeks. Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.